Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you exactly how to cancel a hotel reservation on booking.com step by step and even some share tips to avoid cancellation fees. Let's dive right in. First, open the booking.com app or visit the website. Log in your email or Google account, whichever you use to while booking. Once you're logged in, go to the bookings section. There you'll find a list of your reservations. Find the hotel reservation you want to cancel and tap on it. Next, look for the three dots menu, usually in the corner of the reservation card. Tap on it and you'll see a cancel button. Go ahead and tap cancel. You'll then be asked to confirm your cancellation by tapping cancel the entire booking. You might need to do this twice. After that, booking.com may ask you to select a reason for the cancellation. Pick the one that fits best and then confirm by tapping cancel my booking. Finally, tap OK to wrap things up, and that's it. Your hotel bookings is now officially cancelled. The quick tips to avoid cancellation fees. Always check the cancellation policy before booking. Some reservations are fully refundable up to a certain date. If you're close to a deadline, try contacting the hotel directly. They might be flexible. And if your trip is far out, consider choosing free cancellation filters when searching. And that's a wrap for today. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tech tip that saves your time and money. Thanks for watching.